Hey, what's up DIYers? Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. In today's video, we're going to show you how to get indents out of carpet. Now, there are several different methods on how to do this. However, in this video, we are going to show you the iron method. All right, DIYers in the living room right now, and you will notice ice cubes on the floor, and we are in the process of removing some pretty deep indents that were from an entertainment center that laid there for many, many years. What we did was just recently removed it, and we switched to the floating entertainment design as shown here, and we hung our TV. However, over the years, as that entertainment rests on that carpet, it left again some pretty deep indents, and we are using a ice method. However, we're not going to cover that in this video. That video is scrolling above. Coming over here, because we had to move the plant closer to the entertainment center for presentation purposes, it left this indent from the actual pot, and we are going to use a iron method with a wet cloth to get that indent out of our carpet. At the sink now, and we are going to get a standard rag wet, and you want it pretty soaked. Don't wring it out. Let's head back to the carpet. Back at the carpet, here's the new indent that is going to stay. This is the old indent, and what we're going to do is just put this rag, again, very soaked with water, over that indent. From here, grab your iron, and you are going to carefully iron the rag. And do your absolute best not to burn or leave the iron in one spot for a prolonged time. And this is basically loosening the water and allowing it to get down below into the indent, and it basically will shock the indent, and the carpet will begin to loosen up, and you can then use a fork or a brush to brush the carpet back up to a fluff manner. And again, just use a fork and grab that carpet. And you may need to do this a couple times. However, this is an extremely accurate way to do this. And use whatever you need to use. Again, a brush, a fork. And what I recommend is where the indent is, go about an inch out into the carpet and work that indent out. We're going to put the rag back in place and iron it, and you may need to do this a couple times. And it is looking a lot better. And again, as I mentioned a few seconds ago, go about an inch out from where the indent is and loosen up that carpet, because that's going to ultimately help that indent realign itself and fade in with the carpet that was never indented. From here, just use your hand and check that out. Basically, all gone. Check that out. You still see ever so slight bit of it, but over time, that will all go away as you walk on it. Hopefully this helps. Hey, do us a favor below the video. You'll see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Now, in the event that you try this iron method and it is not getting your indents out, or the indents are so deep that a rag and iron can't get to them, you will need to try the ice method. And as we mentioned earlier, that video was scrolling above. Definitely check it out. We may see you there. Thanks again for watching.